Listing your coin on CoinGecko can significantly increase its visibility and trading opportunities. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to list your coin. Understand requirements. Before submitting your request, ensure your coin meets CoinGecko's basic requirements, such as the coin must have an active blockchain or testnet. The coin should have a defined use case or purpose. It should be traded on at least one supported exchange with proper trading pairs. Prepare information. Gather essential information about your coin, including coin name, your coin's official name, symbol, abbreviation for your coin, blockchain. Specify the blockchain your coin is built on. Contract address. If your coin is on a specific blockchain, provide a smart contract address. Market data. Provide current trading pairs and exchange details where your coin is traded. Submit a request. Visit CoinGecko's coin submission page and fill out the form with the required details. Be thorough and ensure all necessary information is provided. Verification. CoinGecko will review your submission to ensure it meets their criteria. This may take a few weeks depending on the volume of submissions. Approval and listing. If your submission is approved, your coin will be added to CoinGecko and users will be able to track its performance, volume, and other market data. Promote your coin. Once listed, promote your coin across social media platforms, communities, and forums to boost its visibility and trading activity.